Good morning. This is the Secarensis News, broadcasting from the city of Sincelejo to Colombia and the world. Welcome. Let's start with a new item that has attracted a lot of attention from Cesarensis students. Last Sunday, August 6, 2020, the institutional coordination, Patricia Mendivel, assigned to the academy vice-rector, chief manager the agreement with the National Net of Professional Practice, which will allow the interested students of the different academic programs of CESAR to participate in academic spaces and share their experience from the professional practice. Its purpose is to promote knowledge, reflection, and practice, cooperation and teamwork, resilience and fraternity, which are fundamental to strengthening the network. Its objective is to develop strategies to strengthen the integral formation of future professionals and actors involved in academic and professional practice, as expressed by the coordination Patricia Mendivel this morning.